Hi guys, it's Alexis, and this is my new channel called Makeup X123, and this channel is basically gonna be about makeup and all that stuff. So right now we're doing the summer 2011 tag. Me and my brother.
Yeah, I'm in the army.
This is the army. But let's get started with the first question. First question. When did you get out of school? We got out of school June 21st.
Yeah, 21st.
We got out of June 21st. Number 2. How long is your summer vacation this year?
I think 3 or 2 months maybe.
We go back to school August 30th, right?
Yeah.
I think we go back to school August 30th. So it's about 2 months and like a week or so. I don't know. I don't know. Number 3. What are you most excited for this summer? I'm based. Go first, then you go.
Yeah.
I'm excited about the summer because I got a job. Really cool. It's just like a good summer job, and you get paid, and that's what I'm excited about. And what are you excited about?
Mine is just sitting back, relaxing, watching TV.
Alright, number 4. Are you going on any vacations? If so, where? No, we really don't go on vacations that much.
We don't go on vacations at all.
No.
We do sometimes.
We go to the beach. That's not really like a vacation. That's like whatever. So yeah. Number 5. What is your song of the summer? My song of the summer, I have like 2. One from One from Adele. Someone Like You. It's like amazing like love song. My other song is from Kevin Little. It's Call Me. And my last song is from Neo and Pitbull. Give It Everything Tonight. So what is it?
Mine is from 2 games. There's one called For the 2. It's called Want You Gone. If you don't know, the person who sings Want You Gone is from GLaDOS. Yeah, and the Portal 1 is Still Alive.
Okay, number 6. What are your favorite friends for this summer? My favorite friends are basically, the favorite friends, I like girly, but I like boho chic, and I like just casual, and like when we go to the beach, you're gonna be casual with like flip-flops, and I think, yeah. So what's your friend?
Mine is just a plain, what's it called?
White tee?
A white tee and some shorts and flip-flops.
Yep, that's casual. Okay, number 8. No, number 7. Do you have any summer traditions? We really don't have any summer traditions. Basically, we have no summer traditions.
Nah.
Actually, sometimes we do. We have a bonfire pit, and we light that up, and we like roast marshmallows on it. Like when it gets cooler, because we have like a swing outside and stuff. So
And it's really simple, like watching a fire and being warm.
yeah, it's really nice.
And the swing is unbelievable. It made me to sleep in 2 minutes.
It's very soft. Like yeah. All right. Question number 8. Are you going to any camp? No. I don't like camp. I'm not a camping girl.
I'm not a camping boy. I hate camping.
I hate being outside. Well, if it's too hot, I don't like to be outside. So, yeah, that's really it. Alright, question number 9. What is your favorite summer snack? My favorite summer snack would have to be, fruit pops that I make. Like, I make my freshly fruit, and then I put water in it, and Mac Robbie 07 has it, if you look at her videos, on her her vlog channel, The Life of Destiny. It's like amazing. If you guys want me to do a thing on that, it'll be on my other channel. So what are your favorites?
Mine is mostly chips.
because he is only 10 years old.
And he's 15.
I'm 15. I'm so excited I got a job because I don't want it really for the money, but I want to buy all new school clothes and get that whole burden off my mom and dad. Alright, next, 11. Do you have a favorite summer memory? Yes, I do. Usually every year, me, my aunt, my uncle, and her 2 kids, go to Lakeland for coffee. And that's about like 3 hours, 4 hours away from us. Um, it's just like a big lake. If you don't know what that is, it's just a big lake. And it's like awesome. We stay for a week like in a big house. And I think that's my favorite summer memory. So what's your favorite memory?
A summer memory I had, my favorite one is in the time I got to meet some new friends. And it was in the middle of the summer, about in June.
Okay. Alright, number 12. What is your all-time favorite makeup product for this summertime? Well, he can't really answer that because he don't wear makeup. But for me,
Sometimes I wear like a tank, and remember yesterday? Or not yesterday,
yeah, I put a little Seltana on his arm. Just to try it out, see how it works. Because we were going to do a video on that. But anyway, my favorite product would definitely be cream blushes. I love cream blushes. But, I really don't wear makeup in the summer, like if I'm going out. But, to the pool, to the beach, I think there's no point in wearing makeup. But I think that, and a makeup that I want to try is a Fix Plus. So, that seems cool. Alright, question number 13. Would you rather be laying out, tanning, or in the water? I'd rather be in the water. You get a better tan in the water anyway, and you cool down while you get in that pretty tan. And a little fact, wear sunscreen, okay? Little fact.
Mine has to be both, because I really love getting tan.
Okay, but
Sometimes,
would you rather be in the water?
yeah, because
So-
it's super awesome, and there's a place we go, we just went today when the sun's getting up.
Yep. Okay, number 14. Are you going to any concerts this summer? No, I'm not going to concerts. I'm not really a type of girl who likes concerts at all.
Because we don't have the money to afford it anyway. Really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Anyway, that.
He don't have the money to afford it, but mom and dad does. And, yeah, whatever. Alright, number 15. Would you rather wear flip-flops or sandals? I'd rather wear flip-flops. I'm such a flip-flop girl, and they're so easy to put on. And, like, sandals, like, when you're at the beach, you have to, like, take them off and whatever. But like, flip-flops, you just flip them in.
I'll have to say flip-flops. Because they're easy to put on, and it's like a little cooler.
Alright, 16. Our last question, guys. What do you want to get out of the summer? I want to get out of the summer of the best summer of my life. I want to lose a couple pounds from going to high school, work out, eat healthy, be at the pool all day. That's where I kind of want to get out of my summer.
Getting out of my summer is like meeting new friends at the daily, which I'm going. Whatever. I'm going to a middle school. Just forget what I said about the daily. Say it again. Just forget about it. And yeah, I'll have to meet new friends. Have really some time with them. Go to the lake and go to the pool. Alright, I'm done.
Alright, guys, so that was our tag of the summer 2011 tag. And if you liked our tag, we'll definitely do more. We're actually going to do another one in a few seconds. The questions will be down below. Feel free to do it and then do a video response. Comment, rate, subscribe to both of my channels. My channel will be right here. Right about here, my vlog channel. So definitely go check that out. And go check out his channel. It'll be down the low bar or up top. I'm not sure yet. So yeah, go check it out and comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.